Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to group columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so it's really easy to group columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. All you have to do is first select the columns you want to group. So let's say we have this project management sheet and project management table, and we want to group column start and date, so we can easily hide and unhide them if we want to show or hide them. And grouping is the best feature for that. And as I mentioned, select the columns you want to group. Then you have two options. You can right click on the columns, go to view more column actions, and you're gonna see group columns EF. And as you can see, the grouping has been created. So now all we have to do is click on this grouping icon or plus sign and minus sign to group and ungroup the columns. You can remove the grouping by right click on the grouped columns, select view more column actions and select ungroup columns. By the way, if you click on view here, you can also group the columns by clicking on view, group columns, and then we can use the grouping feature to hide or unhide the start and end date column in this project management table. So notice I can group columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.